Welcome back. Go ahead, hop on out of that slide and then all the way to the top of those stairs on your left, please. Very top step, thank you. Welcome back, everyone. Go ahead, hop on out of that slide and move all the way up those stairs on your left, please, all the way to the very top. Thank you. Welcome back, everyone. Go ahead, hop on out of that slide and move all the way up those stairs on your left, please, all the way to the very top step. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Make sure your ride down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher is a safe one. Lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles crossed in front of you. The lifeguard will give you the all clear, then you can go. Keep your hands and feet inside the slide. When you reach the bottom, move to the side immediately. Oh, and just a reminder, to slide down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher, you have to be at least 48 inches tall. If you're shorter than that, you can try out T-Bone Spring, one of the coolest rides on the slope.
If you'll be sliding down Summit Plummet or Slush Gusher, for a safe ride, lie flat on your back with your arms and...
Thanks a lot. Yeah, good. Yeah. Thanks a lot.